بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
ألف لام ميم. تلك آيات الكتاب الحكيم.
These are the verses of the book of wisdom, i.e., the Quran.
هدى ورحمة للمحسنين.
These verses are guidance and mercy for the righteous.
الذين يقيمون الصلاة ويؤتون الزكاة وهم بالآخرة هم يوقنون.
Those who keep salah established and pay zakah and believe in the hereafter.
أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون.
It is they who are upon the guidance of their Lord and their objective is attained.
ومن الناس من يشتري لهو الحديث ليضل عن سبيل الله بغير علم ويتخذها هزوا أولئك لهم عذاب مهين.
And some people buy words of amusement in order to mislead others from Allah's path without understanding and to make fun of it, i.e., the verses, for them is a disgraceful punishment.
وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِ آيَاتُنَا وَلَّى مُسْتَكْبِرًا كَأَن لَّمْ يَسْمَعْهَا كَأَنَّ فِي أُذُنَيْهِ وَقْرًا فَبَشِّرْهُ بِعَذَابٍ أَلِيمٍ.
And when our verses are recited to him, he arrogantly turns away as if he did not hear them, as if there is heaviness in his ears. So, give him the good news of a painful punishment.
إِنَّ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ لَهُمْ جَنَّاتُ النَّعِيمِ.
Indeed, those who believed and did good deeds, for them are gardens of serenity.
خالدين فيها وعد الله حقا وهو العزيز الحكيم.
In which they will abide forever, and the promise of Allah is true, and only He is the dignified, the wise.
خلق السماوات بغير عمد ترونها وألقى في الأرض رواسي أن تميد بكم وبث فيها من كل دابة وأنزلنا من السماء ماء فأنبتنا فيها من كل زوج كريم.
He created the heavens without any such columns that are visible to you, and placed mountains as anchors into the earth so that it may not tremble along with you, and spread out all kinds of animals therein. And we sent down water from the sky, so caused all kinds of elegant pairs of plants to sprout on the earth.
هذا خلق الله فأروني ماذا خلق الذين من دونه بل الظالمون في ضلال مبين.
Allah has created this. Show me that which has been created by those other than Him. Rather, the unjust are in open error.
ولقد آتينا لقمان الحكمة أن اشكر لله ومن يشكر فإنما يشكر لنفسه ومن كفر فإن الله غني حميد.
And we indeed bestowed wisdom to Luqman, saying that, be grateful to Allah, and whosoever is grateful, he is grateful for his own good, and whoever is ungrateful, so indeed Allah is the independent, the most praiseworthy.
وَإِذْ قَالَ لُقْمَانُ لِابْنِهِ وَهُوَ يَعِظُهُ يَا بُنَيَّ لَا تُشْرِكْ بِاللَّهِ إِنَّ الشرك لظلم عظيم.
And remember when Luqman said to his son, and he was advising him, O my son, never ascribe anything as a partner to Allah. Indeed, ascribing partners to Him is a grave injustice.
ووصينا الإنسان بوالديه حملته أمه وهنا على وهن وفصاله في عامين أن اشكر لي ولوالديك إلي المصير.
And we emphasized upon man concerning his parents. His mother carried him in the womb, undergoing weakness upon weakness, and his suckling is up to 2 years. So, be thankful to me and to your parents. In the end, return is towards only me.
وإن جاهداك على أن تشرك بي ما ليس لك به علم فلا تطعهما وصاحبهما في الدنيا معروفا واتبع سبيل من أناب إلي ثم إلي مرجعكم فأنبئكم بما كنتم تعملون.
And if they both, i.e., the mother and the father, strive to make you ascribe such a thing as a partner to me, concerning which you do not have knowledge, so do not obey them and still support them kindly in the worldly affairs, and follow the path of the one who has turned to me. Then towards only me you are to return, and I shall disclose to you what you used to do.
يا بني إنها إن تك مثقال حبة من خردل فتكن في صخرة أو في السماوات أو في الأرض يأت بها الله إن الله لطيف خبير.
O my son, if the evil deed is equal to the weight of a mustard seed, it is then in a rock or in the heavens or wherever in the earth, Allah will bring it forth. Indeed, Allah is the knower of every subtlety, the all-aware.
يا بني أقم الصلاة وأمر بالمعروف وانه عن المنكر واصبر على ما أصابك إن ذلك من عزم الأمور.
O my son, keep Salah established and command goodness and forbid from evil and be patient on the calamity that befalls you. Indeed, these are acts of great courage.
ولا تصعر خدك للناس ولا تمش في الأرض مرحا إن الله لا يحب كل مختال فخور.
And do not make your cheek crooked in arrogance whilst talking to anyone, nor boastfully walk upon the earth. Indeed, Allah does not like any boastful, arrogant person.
واقصد في مشيك واغضض من صوتك إن أنكر الأصوات لصوت الحمير.
And walk moderately and lower your voice to some extent. Indeed, the worst voice amongst the voices is the braying of a donkey.
ألم تروا أن الله سخر لكم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وأسبغ عليكم نعمه ظاهرة وباطنة ومن الناس من يجادل في الله بغير علم ولا هدى ولا كتاب منير.
Did you not see that Allah has made whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth subservient to you and bestowed His favors upon you in full, visible and hidden? And some people dispute regarding Allah, whereas they have no knowledge, nor intellect, nor a clear book.
وإذا قيل لهم اتبعوا ما أنزل الله قالوا بل نتبع ما وجدنا عليه آباءنا أولو كان الشيطان يدعوهم إلى عذاب السعير.
And when it is said to them, follow what Allah has sent down, so they say, rather, we shall only follow that upon which we found our forefathers, even if the devil calls them towards the punishment of hell.
ومن يسلم وجهه إلى الله وهو محسن فقد استمسك بالعروة الوثقى وإلى الله عاقبة الأمور.
Whosoever submits his face towards Allah and is righteous, so he has indeed grasped the firm knot, and only towards Allah is the end of all things.
وَمَن كَفَرَ فَلَا يَحْزُنكَ كُفْرُهُ إِلَيْنَا مَرْجِعُهُمْ فَنُنَبِّئُهُم بِمَا عَمِلُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَلِيمٌ بِذَاتِ الصُّدُورِ.
And whoever disbelieves, so you, O beloved, do not be grieved by his disbelief. They have to return to only us. We will inform them of what they were doing. Indeed, Allah knows what is in the hearts.
نُمَتِّعُهُمْ قَلِيلًا ثُمَّ نَضْطَرُّهُمْ إِلَى عَذَابٍ غَلِيظٍ.
We shall allow them to enjoy a little, then making them helpless, we will take them towards a severe punishment.
وَلَئِن سَأَلْتَهُم مَّنْ خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ لَيَقُولُنَّ اللَّهُ قُلِ الْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ بَلْ أَكْثَرُهُمْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
And if you ask them, who created the heavens and the earth? So they will surely answer, Allah. You say, O beloved, all praise is due to Allah. Rather, most of them know not.
لله ما في السماوات والأرض إن الله هو الغني الحميد.
Only to Allah belongs whatever is in the heavens and in the earth. Indeed, only Allah is the independent, the most praiseworthy.
ولو أن ما في الأرض من شجرة أقلام والبحر يمده من بعده 7 أبحر ما نفدت كلمات الله إن الله عزيز حكيم.
And if all the trees in the earth become pens, and the seas be its ink, 7 seas further as backup, so the words of Allah will not come to an end. Indeed, Allah is dignified, ever wise.
ما خلقكم ولا بعثكم إلا كنفس واحدة إن الله سميع بصير.
Creating and raising you all on the day of judgment is like creating and raising a single soul. Indeed, Allah is all-hearing, all-seeing.
ألم تر أن الله يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري إلى أجل مسمى وأن الله بما تعملون خبير.
O listener, did you not see that Allah brings the night in a part of the day and brings the day in a part of the night, and that He has subjected the sun and the moon, each one runs for its appointed term, and that Allah is aware of your deeds?
ذلك بأن الله هو الحق وأن ما يدعون من دونه الباطل وأن الله هو العلي الكبير.
This is because only Allah is the truth, and whatever they worship other than Him are all false, and this is because only Allah is the High, the Great.
ألم تر أن الفلك تجري في البحر بنعمة الله ليريكم من آياته إن في ذلك لآيات لكل صبار شكور.
Did you not see that the ship sails on the sea by Allah's grace, so that He may show you some of His signs? Indeed, in this are signs for the extremely patient, grateful person.
وَإِذَا غَشِيَهُم مَّوْجٌ كَالظُّلَلِ دَعَوُا اللَّهَ مُخْلِصِينَ لَهُ الدِّينَ فَلَمَّا نَجَّاهُمْ إِلَى الْبَرِّ فَمِنْهُم مُّقْتَصِدٌ وَمَا يَجْحَدُ بِآيَاتِنَا إِلَّا كُلُّ خَتَّارٍ كَفُورٍ.
And when a wave like mountains come upon them, so they call upon Allah, believing purely in Him. Then when He brings them safely towards land, so some of them remain upon justice, i.e., faith and sincerity, and no one will deny our verses except an extremely unfaithful, ungrateful person.
يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم واخشوا يوما لا يجزي والد عن ولده ولا مولود هو جاز عن والده شيئا إن وعد الله حق فلا تغرنكم الحياة الدنيا ولا يغرنكم بالله الغرور.
O people, fear your Lord, and fear the day in which no father will be of benefit to his child, nor will any useful child be of any benefit to the father. Indeed, Allah's promise is true, so never let the worldly life deceive you, and never let the great deceiver, i.e., Satan, deceive you in respect of Allah's forbearing.
إن الله عنده علم الساعة وينزل الغيث ويعلم ما في الأرحام وما تدري نفس ماذا تكسب غدا وما تدري نفس بأي أرض تموت إن الله عليم خبير.
Indeed, Allah has the knowledge of the last day and sends down the rain and knows whatever is in the wombs of mothers, and no soul knows what it will earn tomorrow, and no soul knows the place where it will die. Indeed, Allah is the all-knowing, the informer.
صدق الله العظيم.